Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to convert miles to kilometers using Google Sheet. We will use a simple formula to do the conversion. Here I have a list of distances in miles. To convert them into kilometers, we will multiply the miles by 1.60934 because 1 mile is equal to 1.60934 kilometers. Click on an empty cell next to the first value and type this formula. Now press enter. Google Sheet will give you the distance in kilometers. Drag the formula down to convert the rest of the values. That's how you can easily convert miles to kilometers in Google Sheet using a simple multiplication formula. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more Google Sheet tips. Thanks for watching.